Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We will learn about power of 10. I'm sharing my screen. Okay. I hope you can see my screen, right? Give me a reaction if it is sharing to you. Yes, sure. Can you see my application now? I hope you can see. Okay. So power of 10. We will write here like that. Okay. Okay. It means multiply by 10 multiply by 10. So this will our answer. This sign, write it. Let's see, right. I think so. You can see that, right? This sign is used for multiplication in Python because there is no proper symbol to do. But this is a long way to do, right? What we should do in Python? Yes, what we should do in Python? See, answer that definitely. So here, disconnect. Can you hear me? Yes, yes, sure. Can you hear me? Thumbs up your. Can you hear me, Asher? I hope you can hear me. So we will put here two tens. And what will we do of this tens? We will make. We will put here multiplication sign. Multiplication. Okay, this is multiplication sign in Python. Okay. See. See. That's 100. Okay. We learned false and true last time, so we'll do same. By 10 equal, and for power we will use these two sterics, right? We will use two sterics. So find the power. If they will same, so it will give us true. And if it give us true, then it is give us proof that this is right formula. I hope it is give us proof. Maybe it should give us false, but I think it should give us true. Is my voice is clear to you, Asher? Thumbs up. See, It is true means it means the formula is correct. It isn't correct. How can you say this? Uh, what is that? Okay, see. But we can store them. Okay, sure. I want to tell you another thing. We can do that. Do you know about integer? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay, you don't know about it. It is decimal form, okay? This is decimal form. This is integer form and this is string form, okay? Did you understand? There are three forms: decimal, string. You can't understand two right now, right? Okay, and this is string and this is integer and this is float, right? Float is decimal. I think so. You don't know about it. Do you know about point? Yes, sure. Okay, you can get decimals like that. No, no, five. Okay. Right. C equal B. Okay. Yes. So this is decimal form. It has which number contain point. It called decimal float. Okay. Understand? If a number contain point, so it will have it will we will name it float, and it haven't any point, so we will call it integer. Short form is this is root. Right. How to write that? I forget it. Oh, here it is. What? There is integer. There is string. These are short form. Okay, short form. String doesn't have any specific work. We can use them like that. Sure. Usher, are you here? Usher, I want to ask you something. Okay. Okay, so we can get integer. But why? Why we do an integer? Can you tell me? Because we should get input in integer. Otherwise, we will can't do our calculation best. Okay. Input. Input is a keyword that we use for input. Okay. This is a thing how to get input. We can write here in a string that I told you. Number. Okay. Okay. B. Same we will do that. Okay. Per number right. Okay. Maybe it gives you a name error. Oh, no. Type error. The reason behind it because we will put here integer. Integer contains only it contains only numbers, and float also contains only decimals. String contains numbers and decimals both, but it isn't used for things like I use here 7 as a string, but we can't use it for calculations like if we use here. Wait, first I done it. It will give you name error. Let's see. Oh, sorry, value error. Value error. This one isn't integer, and it we convert is in integer, and it can't understand. It can't be in integer. It can be string. String. We can do that, right? When we can do that, I think simply see it works. We can do that too. No problem. But values variables contain same thing, same value, same thing, right? But type is different. We can find type. What is type of this by using this? Okay, type B C. So, integer, and what told me that? Okay, see, right? Let's try that again. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Why is that so? We want to. Well, I'm just confirming you that type can be different. What? Oh, it can't. So just we can do that. Okay, after that we should use this. No, C equal A B. We can use that C, or we can use this too. B, okay? So we can use this too. We can use both of them. It will give us definitely an error. Let's see. Type error. Why is type error occurs? Because here we'll put string. A is in string. We should put here integer. But we can put here evolved. Okay, let's do an experiment. I'm not sure it will work. Evolve, let I teach you what evolve do. Okay, 10, 2. I think so. I should constraint. So try that in screen. Yes, tab. Let's see that. What is so see you will do that, right? So we do that. Minus one. Okay. It give us same value, but in higher. I think so. We should do that. And okay, yes, it should be 100. Yeah, it is 100. So you all do like that. Okay, should we do in this input? Simply, let's write it. Both can work. This is a long way to do a formula. You can do that. This formula is being good or this formula. But you are storing in variable. Just this is different. You are printing it. That you stored variable, you can use it anywhere. I can use it in other cell. Okay, I want to tell you another thing that isn't comes in our topic, that we can update our variables. See, for no, a equal, it is input and we will update it. So, may you thought that what it should work, why we should update, and it will update in same time when we shouldn't want to update them, right? So answer is that you should do the work on it. We didn't learn yet if statement. Let I test you what is if statement works. 10, 19. Okay, sorry. So if statement works that if value equal that or something else that you want to do, and some functions that happen, so you want to update the variable, so you will do if statement. But now we don't learn it yet, so we shouldn't use it right here. Okay, see you in next topic. Allah Hafiz.